What is up, guys? That's a weird thing. I'm never gonna say that again in my video, or at least not as an intro. Here again because there might. Remember, when I say might, I'm not sure. It's not a guess, but it's an educated guess, meaning chances are like 50-50. So just keep that in mind when I say that for future context. So yeah. The lights down there and the headlights should appear probably any second. One other thing, I have a surprise for all of you at the end of this video, because you guys are really going to enjoy it. The only hint I have is, it's 2 words, and the first one starts with T and the next one starts with R. You can probably guess. And it's a train that I've only recorded 2 videos on, at least out of New Orleans, and I almost just spoiled it. So anyways, there might be, my educated guess is there might be a private car, because it said it was going to arrive at 3:25 in New Orleans, so I believe that means it's going to be on the southbound. If not, I have no idea. But hey, keep watching to figure it out. Get to you when it gets pretty close. I just heard a faint horn, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. So yeah, if it has a private car, it's going to be my first one. I don't know if I've caught one before. On YouTube, at least. I remember one person. I remember this one, I don't think I'm gonna post it, but it was this one train from years back when I was like 3 or 4, and it had 12 cars on the city of New Orleans. It had 4 Horizon cars, 4 Horizon cars, a Heritage baggage, a Heritage baggage, Viewliner baggage, and then 6 Superliners, and then 2 private cars. Actually, I just remember it being a lot of cars. I don't know the exact number. I don't remember. I just remember it having a lot of cars. So remember, this is just an educated guess. So just remember that. I'll get to you when it gets a little bit. Okay, I can see the headlight through the little railroad ties, meaning it's almost, yeah, it's, let me see. Yeah, I can make out, I'm starting to make out the lights. So like I can kind of see which locomotive it is. My guess looks kind of like a P42, just because I see like, they have different light configurations, so you can kind of tell. No, LC42, but it wasn't as like, I couldn't really tell. Yeah, that's an ALC42. If you're wondering how I can tell, the horn, if you go watch my comparison video, because then you can hear it. But it has, I don't know what it is. It's just something that can kind of, yeah. You gotta be experienced. You gotta have heard both. Oh yeah, heard both things side by side. Another thing, go watch my little tribute video to this. I'm sad they cut this thing up. It's sad. It's actually really sad, because this has been here since my dad was like 20. Like, it's been there for probably 30 years, to be honest, since they, you know, it's been there my entire life. And I believe it was there in this photo I looked at in like 2009, where it was, yeah, it's old. That's all I can really say. What's it doing? Stopped on the main line. Huh. And finally, after like around what, 20 minutes, they finally got the clearance to go. So, yay, finally. What they were waiting on was, it wasn't that big of a deal. It was just clearance because they're doing some minor track work. I don't actually know what they're really doing. They're just doing something. Ooh, I didn't know ALC 42s could get that smoky. Smoky ALC 42. Nice. This is a very troublesome train. That was a long awaited one. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you next video. Shiny superliners. And that surprise was I'm going on the crescent, so I get away from these superliners. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Superliner 1. Wait, yeah. Thanks for watching.